What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Sunset Motel on your PC. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us. Once you have done that, we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website to download it. So quickly go to the Steam website. After that, search up the game Sunset Motel. Click on it, and after that scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game is available for just €16.64. But don't worry, we can save you even more money while downloading games online. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. After that you will be redirected to this website. Now search up the same game, Sunset Motel, and after that you will find this game. Select it. Now always double check the price, because this price is €13.10 compared to the Steam price of €16.64. So you will save yourself even a bit of more money on downloading this game. You can buy this game at the website, and after that you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam to download this game through Steam, but a little bit cheaper. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!